Hey everybody, this is Tracy. Welcome to my channel. She Speaks Power. And today I just want to walk you through something that I heard about, I found, I used it, and I like it. And I wanted to share it with you. Okay. So it is called the Stan.Store. I'm showing my page. Um, and I just did this the other day. So if you sign up, you can get a 14-day try or a 14-day trial to use it for yourself. Okay. So first, I'm going to take you through to the edit design area. You can go ahead and find the template that you like. They don't have a lot of selections, but the selections that they do have is really nice, and you can actually see what it looks like on the other side. And since mine is pretty much set up, you can really see what it looks like. So they have different styles. You can scroll and see how it will look in different areas, and see if that is the one that fits you. Like I said, if um, like I said, they don't have a lot, but they have a good selection to choose from. Okay, and if you like it, you just go ahead and hit save, and you can also change your colors as well. What you can do if you don't have a color code, just go over to Canva and get that color code from, you can get it from anywhere, but you can get it from Canva, getting that code that you like and bringing it over here. And that's it, you know. And once you get your color and everything, your template you want to use, you're already halfway there, you know. So we're going to go back into my store. It did not take me a long time to set it up. So we're going to just hit for you, if you're just coming in and starting, you'll see that add product. And as you can see, I've added several already trying to find out, trying to see how everything works. So I just want to go ahead and share with you what I've learned so far and how I like it. I really like it. Stan is the man. I'm telling you, Stan is all right with me. So you can have your email marketing and collecting your emails by providing lead magnets. You know, like you can put your picture of what you're giving away for free, or that lead magnet, however way you do it, but it's usually that free thing put right here. Then you can add your text, your title, and all that good stuff. Submit, or you can change this up as well, your button. Everything you can change up. They have a section where the name and email goes. If you want the phone number, you can leave it there. If you want it shown, you can just unhide the eye and it will be shown. It is when it's like this, it's not required, but when it's like that, it is required. And if you want to add another field with more information, they have that space for you to do that. And just hit publish and boom, there you have it. But it's not just boom, boom. You really have to add your product now, that lead magnet that you want to offer. So you go over, you can save before you publish it. You go right up to the top to the product, and you can either upload it right here, or you can add a redirect URL and putting the name of that URL that you're adding. Okay, and then from there you can publish it. Don't jump ahead of the horse. you know All right, so that is it for that one. And What else? All right. So on here, you can book your sessions if you're a coach or consultant and you have something, that type of service that you need to book calls for. You can set it up through um, your Google Calendar, and it's simple. And they even have a landing page, so it takes out Calendly altogether. It's that simple. You don't have to go to Calendly. You don't have to go to all these little places, all these different platforms when everything is right here. And that's what I like about that. So you can choose the thumbnail, although it's already here. So you want to keep the icon there. And you want to add, your information. And they tell you how many words you can use. You just can't put paragraphs and stuff. So you have to be specific, what you want to say. And then you go to the next and go to the landing page. So you can you can add another picture there, the description of your package and how much it's going to cost. You can have a discount price. You can also add customer reviews, collect your customers' information the same way as on the um, other side, the other one that we was working on. The same thing, you know, call to action, book a call, however way you want to use your call to action button. Okay. And then it has the availability calendar. You can make the changes of what days you're available. You can just hit the date to delete it, or you can, hit the delete button right here. You can change the time just like any other calendar. So I think that was cool to have that here as well. So, and you can use you can pick a thumbnail, whether it's a button, well, you can pick a style, a button, a call out. A call out, this is what the call out is. The button is the actual button, or a preview. That's cool. This is so cool. I love this, and it gives you that option. All right. Now, they have e-course. You can actually create your course on here using video, using audio, turn into video. If you have Headliner, you can do that. You can also add, let me go into it. You can add your worksheets. It is exactly like the other platforms you see that cost a lot more money, but you can use this with everything, well, not just your courses, but every other link as well. That's why I like this. So you can set that up. So you can set your first page up, then it has a landing page. You can create your landing page, your prices, your reviews, collect their information. You can set either a one-time payment or a subscription. It's totally up to you. And then they take you to the course. So the courses you have is all set up with the modules. You put in, you can change anything on here. This one I don't believe you can change, but these you can change. Like if you don't want the welcome, you want to put something else, it's up to you. The same thing with the module 2 and all that. They all have that. And if you want more lessons, all you need to do is add module, hit that, and that's it. Just like this, as you can see how it will look over here. If you want to add your audio, you can upload an audio and upload your worksheets and everything, then go on to the next lesson. I think this is really cool that it's added to this platform as well. So if you are a digital creator, other than um, courses, you can sell your PDFs, templates, all those digital products right here, digital downloads. So all you really have to do is put the picture of what that digital product is. You have your description, the title, all that good stuff, the button, how much it's going to cost. And here's the landing page. Just like all the other pages, it has exactly what you need, simple and easier. And then when you want to download your information, you can do it as the URL. So like me, say if you doing templates and you're using Canva, you can put the Canva URL link in here and they can go and edit their product on Canva. You can do it that way, or you can do it the other way where, download and the links and all that good stuff on that, on that page, that PDF or something, and you could just upload it here. And that's it. That is it. I mean, this is to me a game changer. I love this site. So far, so good. I have not found anything I don't like. They have a webinar. You can actually set up your webinar. You can set up your webinar on this thing. They have a landing page, just like the other pages you saw. And they have the webinar. You can add the slots. So say your webinar has it's a 4-day webinar or something. You're doing a video and you're offering at least 4 days. If one person can't make one, they can set up for another date. That is so cool. It's so cool. You can fill out the information, you can set it up, how it connects, where the webinar will be held, whether it's at a location, you need an email, phone number, Zoom, Google Meet, all that good stuff. You can choose and it integrates with those. Okay. I mean, this is to me, like I said, a game changer for those coaches, those businesses, services, anything that you have to offer, you can put it all on here in one place. I mean, there's a lot of, there's Linktree and there's other alternatives, to Linktree. There's many, and there are some really good ones out there, but I believe this one so far, to me, this is the best one so far. Okay, so you can do the custom products, like people do ask me anything requests, and they get paid to do that. So it's custom products right there. This one, recurring membership. That's Oh my gosh, I love that too. And then if you have something that they don't have on here, you have the external link. So you have a website. You can add that website to the external link and add that to your page as well. So they have so much to offer. And then if you want to make a couple of dollars or you want to save some money, you can use their affiliate link. This, to me, I love this too. You can refer a friend and you receive 20%, 20% of the subscription fee each month of the subscription. I don't know why that word is so hard. Subscription. You can, and you get that every month. So that's cool, And let me also show you. They have the analytics. So I just really signed up like maybe 2, 3 days ago, so it's nothing there yet. Yet. I'm believing in it. All right, so, and you can see how many people visited your store. You can see how many people clicked on the affiliate link to get some leads. That is so cool when you're able to see how it's really working for you, right? So you can just highlight and see, what people are looking at, what's really, um, the click breakdown, what's really being clicked on. I mean, this is really good to see for yourself, so you can make some adjustments that you need to make. So you also, when do your email list, or you put something out to get to sell something, you can see the audience. I can't show that because it's personal. It has different people's information, so I can't show you that. But it's a list of people that may have subscribed for your freebie, and you can see them, their email, and how much stuff they purchased. It is amazing. Okay. You can also check out your appointments, your referrals, all of that. Okay. And they also have funnels where you can create funnels on here. I believe that is in the higher plan. I believe the higher plan is $99. The 14-day trial one, once you set it up, you have to put your payment information in there. If you want to keep it, continue it. If not, you cancel it within the 14 days. But because you're starting under that trial, that payment is $30 after the trial was $29.99. So after the trial, you'll be paying that. So you do have a chance to try it out and see it for yourself, see if you like it. So they have the funnel. This one is under the upgrade, but of course they have the referrals where you can make passive income. Appointments, you can see your appointments, and the email flow is, if you want to send automatic emails. So they have a lot to offer. And I cannot forget, right? So you've heard of Chat GPT. They're everywhere now, all types of AIs now. They have one as well. Stan got one too. Ask Stanley. Whoever Stan or Stanley is, thank you. I love this, right? So you can ask Stan any questions. They said it's still in beta, but just ask the questions. And here are some good examples. How can I earn more money on Stan? Stan, boom, answers it. Simple. Whatever you need, like if you need descriptions or you need help, creating like your descriptions or getting a good title or something like that, just ask. I can't talk right now because I'm so hyped. Forgive me. Ask Stan. It's a tongue twister, but ask Stan, and Stan will let you know. All right. So, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to try this out, go to my comments, go to the comments and click on my link, get that referral from me, and you try it out for yourself. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you go ahead and use it. If you love it like I do, leave me a comment, follow me, subscribe, all that good stuff. Comment, like, and subscribe. I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear what you have to say. Um, I, I'm starting to do more of this on YouTube. I enjoy it, and I hope it is a helpful tool for you. So until next time, deuces.